This is Nokia C32, and today I will show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, you will need to make sure that your phone is connected to Wi-Fi, then open Play Store, log into your Gmail or Google account if you haven't already. Onwards, open search bar, type in the Opera query. Once any of the app is found, you can initiate its installation right away from the search results, and now just give it some time to be downloaded and installed. Anyway, so once the Opera is installed, you gotta launch it and perform a simple initial setup. So first you will need to tap at the continue button, then decide if you would like to turn on notifications from Opera or skip this step. Then you can either set it as your default browser app right off the bat or skip this step as well. And over here you can either customize data collection preferences or allow everything that Opera asks for and start using the browser. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.